Hi, my name is Becca Becker. I am at Fahrenheit 2017 and I'm here to teach you a 4-pedal anti-spin verse extension alternating. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our palms out. Our palms will always stay out. We're going to cross our fans. It's going to be right on top, left on the bottom, palms pointing down. Our top hand is always going to do the anti-spin. So our first step is anti-spin, and then we're going to extend with this one. This is going to be in split time. Anti-spin verse extension, here. All right, and this is where the alternating comes in. Again, our top hand's gonna do the anti-spin, our bottom hand's gonna do our extension. And there. And then one more time. And that is a 4-pedal verse extension alternating. I am Becca Becker, and I am at Fahrenheit 2017.